the Ford Maverick SV300T. For 2026, Ford made its cheapest truck properly quick. Now it makes 300 horsepower. Ford Performance calls it the SV300T package. This is not a concept, but a real package you can buy. 20-inch bronze wheels, lowered a little, but power is only half the plan. The reviewers who have driven it keep reaching for the same two words: hot hatch. So before you dismiss a small truck, subscribe and stay here. Ford borrowed the bigger turbo from the Mustang 4-cylinder and let it breathe. A larger intercooler, a freer exhaust, and a fresh tune push it to 300 horsepower. That is 50 more horsepower than standard, plus 317 pound-feet of torque, enough to shove this truck forward. Here's the other half. Lowering springs, thicker anti-roll bars, stiffer bushings, and shocks from the wilder Lobo trim keep this thing flat through the cones. Bigger front brakes with two-piston calipers are optional, and every SV300T sends its power through all-wheel drive. The package alone costs $5,000. Cross-shop the Hyundai Santa Cruz, then watch our full Maverick review next.